my dear client, this is Shanghai from EVANGEL International Machinery Limited. Today we're at Shanghai Port and I want to introduce you our wholesale product HELI CPCD30 Diesel Forklift. And it just finished production from HELI factory. It's here. Let's go. You can see the truck is brand new, origin of China 2024. The rated capacity of CPCD30 is 3,000 kilograms. The total weight is 4,319 kilograms. The overall length with fork is 3.8 meters. Without a fork is 2.6 meters. The overweight of CPCD30 is 1.225 meters. The height of overhand guard is 2 meters. The max fork height is 3 meters. And the fork size 1070 millimeters, 135 millimeters, 45 millimeters. The tire type of CPCD30 is pneumatic tire. The engine type of the truck is Quanchai with rated power 36 kilowatts. It can improve your working efficiency effectively. Next, I will show you the cab. It's an optional choice for the truck to be equipped with a closed cab with air conditioner and a fan. It can make the driver feel comfortable when driving. Small turning radius makes steering flexible and easy. The truck has fast lifting speed, good gradability, and high efficiency. High working efficiency could make the truck meet the requirements for various kinds of working conditions perfectly, whenever at a port, dock, or railway station. Besides forklift, I also want to introduce you bulldozer, truck crane, excavator, and telehandler, etc. If you have chance, I also want to invite you to our office in Shanghai or factories. And see you next time.